going back the way we came. Piece of plastic up there. Anybody want to play golf? And some merry-go-round remnants from perhaps Crystal Beach or another park nearby. There's some in here and there's some off in the bushes and trees out there. I'm hoping they're saving the oldest walls and just tearing down the later factory. Looks like that's what they're doing. We'll see. But in the meantime, rest in peace, old works. May you live in our history and other such things. And thank you for this privilege.